simple linear regression. Let's learn how to fit a line to data and use it for prediction. We've seen how correlation quantifies the strength of a linear relationship. But what if we want to go further and actually predict y from x? That's where regression comes in. Regression finds the best fitting line through the data, allowing us to make predictions. The idea behind regression is simple. Find the line that best fits the data. But what does best fit mean? We want the line that minimizes the total squared distance from each point to the line. Here's a line that doesn't fit well. The distances from points to this line, called residuals, are large. Now here's the least squares line. It minimizes the sum of squared residuals. These vertical segments are the residuals, and squaring them and adding them up gives us the quantity we minimize. The regression equation takes the form y hat equals b0 plus b1 times x here. Y hat is the predicted value of yb, 0 is the intercept, the value of y when x equals 0. And b1 is the slope, the key statistic. The slope equals r times the ratio of standard deviations, and the intercept is calculated from the means. The slope tells us, for every 1 unit increase in x, y changes by b1 units on average. The intercept tells us the predicted value of y when x equals 0. Let's use the doll data to make a prediction. Our fitted model gives us this equation. Suppose a country had 600 cigarettes per capita in 1930. Plugging in, we get a predicted lung cancer mortality of about 21.1 per 100,000. On the scatter plot, we can see this prediction falls right on the regression line. Let's visualize the key components. The regression line has an intercept, b0, where it crosses the y-axis. The slope, b1, is the rise over run. For every 1 unit increase in x, the predicted y increases by b1 units. In this example, the slope of 2 means each additional unit of x is associated with 2 more units of y. To summarize, regression fits a line to predict y from x using the least squares method. The slope tells us the average change in y for each unit increase in x. The intercept is the predicted y when x is 0. And once we have the equation, we can plug in any x value to predict y.